Senator Torrey Westrom, representing Senate District 12 in central and western Minnesota. Our state's had heightened concern about the coronavirus and the issues that we may or may not have hit our state. Fortunately, we have not had that disease or virus hit our state yet, but we've been taking very proactive steps. We've got a $20 million emergency response bill that passed out of the Senate Finance Committee today, trying to get ahead of this and be ready so our Department of Health and our public health offices around the state, our hospitals and clinics that would need to be responding to emergencies and quarantines. If this happens, we want to have the resources available, and that's what the Senate Republicans are proactive in stepping forward and making this happen, working with the governor, working with the House leadership. We pray that this does not hit our state. One of the things that we're all talking about is just common sense, precautionary steps, the simple things: washing hands with soap and water, self-quarantining if you find yourself ill, not knowing what your illness is. Just don't affect other people. Stay home. Quarantining is a big aspect that our leaders are talking to us about, the medical professionals as well. And doing some of those things we've often learned when we were young and our parents have told us, we need to get back to those and make sure everybody's practicing good hygiene and using common sense to not spread it throughout the community if there's issues. Fortunately, again, Minnesota has not had the coronavirus show up here, but unfortunately we've been hearing some about the virus in California, Washington, New York, and so we're wanting to be very ready for this and very cautious and do what we can as a state. But we also do want to make sure we're not creating unspread fear or unneeded fear. Being prepared with the facts is the best we can do, and having the resource ready if we need it, so we can be ready for it.